times of f of xy equals to f of x whole power y plus f of y whole power x, and f of 1 equals to 2, then sigma r equals to 1 to 100, f of r equals to, that is the thing. This is the question. Okay, students, see the question carefully. 2 times of f of xy is f of x to the power y plus f of y to the power x. These are normal brackets only. And f of 1 equals to 2, then summation of something they are asking. So, first generally the mind will go to the summation only. If we expand this one, what you will get? F of 1, f of 2, f of 3 and so on up to f of 100. So, f of 1 they are given means we need to identify the remaining values. So, how can you identify the remaining values? With the help of the condition. So, f of 1 equals to 2 is given means we can make an attempt by taking either x equals to 1 or y equals to 1. So, here I want to put y equals to 1. Put y equals to 1 in the given condition. So, that means what we will get? 2 times of f of x, because y value is 1, equals to f of x to the power y, y means what? 1, plus, so what we will get there? F of 1 to the power x. So, this is what we will get. So, check carefully. 2 times of f of x equals to, we are taking y equals to 1. So, y is 1 and y is 1. So, we got this structure. So, 2 times of f of x minus f of x, we will get f of x is equals to f of 1 is given as 2 to the power of x we are getting. So, like that, see, we may get that if you put x equals to 1, then what happens? See, if you put x equals to 1, we will get 2 times of f of y equals to, we will come back here, here what we will write? F of 1 to the power y plus f of y to the power 1, that is f of y only, and here what we will get? F of y equals to 2 to the power of y only we will get. So, we will get the function only always. Okay, so that's why it won't make any sense by taking any one value, you can get it. Now we will come back, f of x equals to 2 power x, then we will go back to sigma r equals to 1 to 200 f of r, that is f of 1 plus f of 2 and so on up to f of 100. So, if you substitute the values, first f of 1 means what? 2, and next is we will get 2 square, and next is 2 cube and so on up to 2 to the power of 100. So, this series is in GP with first term a equals to 2 and common ratio is also equals to 2. We know that sum up to n terms of GP formula is a into r to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So, if we continue, this sigma is equals to, so here a means 2, r is also 2, 2 to the power of 100 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. So, we can write simply 2 to the power of 101 minus 2, that is your result. If f of x equals to 4 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of x plus 2, then summation of r equals to 1 to 2001 f of r divided by 2000, sum is equals to how much? Okay, somewhat similar to the previous question, we want sigma related by using this f of x. Now we will check if expand the sigma, what we will get actually, that is sigma r equals to 1 to 2001 f of r divided by 2000. If you expand, we will get f of 1 divided by 2000 plus f of 2 divided by 2000 and so on. The last term will be f of 2001 divided by 2000. Okay, students, a small correction in the question. Otherwise, it will be so easy. So 2002 I will take here. So that means here we will get 2002 and here also 2002 and here 2002. Term before that one is 2000 divided by 2002. So unlike previous question by substituting a particular value to x we will get a hint. Here by substituting a value to x, because there we proceeded like that because f of 1 was given there, but here no other clue. Now the required fields, if you observe closely, the first and last, if you observe, see, the first and last we can write like this type, see, the combinations wise if you observe, this particular one, see, so this one f of 1 by 2002, so can be written like this one alone I am writing here, see, f of this we can write like this, 1 minus 1 divided by 2002. If you take LCM, what will get, see, 2002 minus 1, 2002 minus 1 is 2001 divided by 2002, we are getting this one. And like that, these two will be paired, and this if we handle, we can write like this f of, so we will get 1 minus 2 divided by 2002. So that is 2002 minus 2, that will give 2000 divided by 2002. That means the first and last and second last, all these, the combinations of, if you observe, see, if you feel this one as x for suppose, so then the sum of this and this appears like f of x and f of 1 minus x. So like that there exist so many pairs. Observe carefully, this part can be written as 1 minus 1 by 2002. Any part, either this part we can write it as 1 minus 1 by 2002. So that means what we will get, 2002 minus 1 by 2002. That's why the combination of this and this is nothing but f of x plus f of 1 minus x. Is it clear or not, student?
Yes, sir.
Okay. By taking the hint of that one, okay, I am eliminating all this. Now in the given question, we will check exactly what may be the result of f of x. Now we will consider f of x plus f of 1 minus x. So f of x means original, so 4 to the power of x by 4 to the power of x plus 2, plus f of 1 minus x is 4 to the power of 1 minus x divided by 4 to the power of 1 minus x plus 2. This is equals to, we can write 4 to the power of x by 4 to the power of x plus 2, plus this we can write 4 divided by 4 to the power of x divided by 4 divided by 4 to the power of x plus 2. The next simplification, 4 to the power of x by 4 to the power of x plus 2, plus if we take LCM and the denominator part, what will get, 4 plus is it correct or not, so please check it out. If we simplify this one, 4 by 4 to the power of x and 4 by 4 to the power of x plus 2, and once if you take LCM, so then what will get the pattern there, see. So here on simplifying this one, we will get 4 by 4 plus 2 into 4 to the power of x. So that is equals to 4 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of x plus 2, plus if we take 2 common here, so that is 2 into 2 divided by 2 common means we will get 2 plus 4 to the power of x. This 2 gets cancelled. Now here you can notice the numerator and denominator both are same after taking LCM. So that means the result what we are getting, 1. That means f of x plus f of 1 minus x, what we are getting, 1. So here I will conclude the result, see, for you. So that means by adding the first one and last one. By adding the first and last, we are getting the result as 1. By adding the second and second last also we will get 1, because this and this are matching with the pattern f of x plus f of 1 minus x. So this and this also matching. Like that, how many pairs we will get is 1000 pairs we will get. But students, there are 2001 numbers. In that 2000 formed as groups means 1000, and the number which one left alone which won't form any pair with anyone is this one. Is it correct or not, students? Tell me. Total there exist 2001 numbers. In that 1000 only can be, means 2000 can be formed as pairs. So that means 2000 means 1000 pairs. 1000 pairs will take 1000, because everything value is 1 only. So this will left alone or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now see. So that is equals to 1000 plus this is f of 1 by 2. So that is equals to 1000 plus f of 1 by 2, if you want me substitute in the question. 4 power 1 by 2, 4 power 1 by 2 is 2 divided by 4 power 1 by is 2 plus 2, that is 1000 plus 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. So that is 1000.5 is your answer. If f of 1 equals to 1 and f of n plus 1 equals to 2 times of f of n plus 1, then find the value of f of n. See here, to solve this question, we need to analyze the data with the help of, again see, whenever such hint is given, then we will attempt to substitute that value and check what happens. So now put first n equals to 1, that implies there if you keep n equals to 1, we will get f of 2 equals to 2 times of f of 1 plus 1, that is 2 times of f of 1 is 1. So that means the value what we are getting here 3. Next, put n equals to 2. So n equals to 2 if I keep here, so then what happens, see, f of 3 equals to 2 times of f of 2 plus 1. That is 2 times of f of 2. F of 2 already we got there 3. So 2 times of 3 means what? 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Next we will take one more. N equals to 3. F of 4. So that is 2 into f of 3 plus 1. F of 3 is 7. So 2 into 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So 3 values sufficient. If you want, we will write one more value. N equals to 4. Then f of 5 equals to 2 into f of 4 plus 1. F of 4 is 15. So 2 into 15, 30 plus 1. So we are getting 31. Now we have some data. With the help of this data, we need to write the general form of 2 power n. So after getting some data, by looking at the options, we will get some idea. So here options were not there, that's why you may feel little difficult. But after getting the values, see, so all these values are following a pattern. So 3 is nothing but 2 square minus 1. 2 square is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. And 8 is nothing but 2 cube minus 1. And 15 is nothing but 2 to the power of 4 minus 1. And 31 is nothing but 2 to the power of minus 1. That means they are following a pattern of 2 power some index minus 1. So that too according to the input only. F of 2, so 2 power 2. F of 3, 2 power 3. F of 4, 2 power 4. F of 5, 2 power 5. Now we can confirm, therefore, f of n will be 2 to the power of n minus 1. That is your solution.